So last night I had my really cool class event, like kind of a sip and pour. We had wine and we had 13 people come out to the course, or not really the course. It was a very informal kind of get together, paint with Johnny type thing. It was awesome though. I met a whole bunch of new people in the community and, you know, help them mix their paints, kind of explain the process a little bit to them. We had a couple people that went that were really familiar, and that was cool. And then we had people that had, you know, self-proclaimed zero artistic ability and were very intimidated by the process, which was awesome. And I already know that these colors do stretch quite considerably, so put a small amount of titanium white over it. To be able to be part of that, because it's just so much fun, kind of like, I don't want to say infecting people with the bug of acrylic pouring, but it is kind of what it was. So all these colors are mixed to my normal bloom recipe. I'll try to put a card and a link in the description to that video, so if you want to do this yourself, with one caveat. I think in the video red, and we took some blue with us, which actually that doesn't look bad. So let's see if we can just trail maybe there you go, small section. There it goes. All right, here we go. A gentle spin. It doesn't take much to open these colors up, so you don't have to be crazy rough with it. That white kind of blends in with the white house paint, but that unbleached titanium white kind of gives it a little bit of contrast from the background, which is cool. All right, let's see. I'm trying to grab it without messing up. All right. Slightly more forceful spin. Really did too. That's cool. I should have swiped this whole area and this whole area in the beige. One more. And this will be the final spin. I think it already spun a lot of that off. And the good part about spinning it off also is the layer of paint will be thinner and help prevent it from cracking or crazing, which that is the goal, right? Looks really cool. That looks really cool, actually. So here's all that striking, really defined lacing and cells in that unbleached white. And then over here, if you see it in the right light, the camera doesn't do it that much justice, but you can see the metallic shimmer in it. You can see it travels down the side. It's got that whole 1.5 inches, which is gorgeous.
If you want to watch another video just like this,
it.
click the screen right now and I'll see you there.